I got a Smart Marine battery box. You can use this on your boat, camping, or RV. Let's see what's all included. All right, it comes with a user's manual. Got some adhesive. And you got a little ratchet strap used to anchor down your battery box, just like that. This thing looks pretty cool. I like the look of it. So on the back, you got your positive and negative terminals. So on the front of the box, you got your USB Type-C and USB Type-A. You got your 12-volt. Got a circuit breaker reset button. You got an on and off switch. On the side, you got an LCD voltmeter. On the side, you got 50 amp Anderson plugs that are waterproof. There's just so many different uses for this battery box. You can use it camping, on your RV, on your John boat, on your big boat. It actually has an emergency backup battery. All right, let's go get this thing hooked up. So this battery box is also good for camping. First thing we're gonna do is put the battery in the box. All right, now we just gotta connect the positive and the negative. All right, I just got everything hooked up, and first thing we're gonna do is turn it on. And then the power button. And right here you can see the battery capacity and the voltage. All right, we're gonna hook up this fan. And just like that, we got a fan. I had a blast using this battery box. I like how versatile it is. You can charge many different items. I can even charge my phone on here, run a fan, but I'm gonna use it on my boat and I'm gonna run all my graphs so I don't kill the main batteries. Check it out. I highly recommend this item.